Good morning students, I am here with the topic how you can use the data form in the MS Excel. Suppose this is the list of the data and I have to use the data form for entering or removing or searching any data from this list. Okay, so for this you have to go to firstly add the data option. Data form option is not here. You have to add the data form in the quick access toolbar. How you can do it? You have to go to the firstly Excel option and go to the customization, and you have to select here the name of the commands not in the ribbon tool, and then you will find here form. You will find here form option and you have to click on the add-on, and in this way the form option will be added in the quick access toolbar. Now you have to select this and you will find the command form on the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. Click here. Now you will get the option here. This is the form. Suppose I want to add a new record, one new record more here, then we have to enter here. Suppose already 12 is here, the 13 serial number, and I have entered here one product name. For the entering new record you have to click on the new button, and product name of the customer I have entered here Amit, and number of keyboard product I have Amit has purchased 123 keyboards and 120 mouse and 230 speakers, 210 printers and 260 scanners. Now you are looking here, the all entered, and after this you have to just press enter key. This will make one more record below to the list, selected list. Okay, and if you want to find any record, then you have to click on the criteria button. You have to click and then you can find. Suppose I want to find that record in which the number of speakers is more than 60. Okay, I want to find. Then you have to click here one by one. You are looking here, first record number 13 previous, and next you will click no record is here. Second record you are looking here, 12th number, second record, that is more than 60 speakers also here, and find previously I find again record number 10 also more than 60. It has been 11th has been skipped. Again I will find, then I will find the record number 7th record also more than 60 in number of speaker. In this way we can search. We have find first record, 7th record, 10th record, and 12th and 13th. In this way you are looking here 1 2 3 4 5 records out of 13, that is containing the number of speakers more than 60. Okay, again you will click on the criteria, you will find here in this way. Suppose you have given the any condition like
more than or equal to 50 mouse, number of mouse, जिस भी रिकॉर्ड में more than 50 or 50 records will find in the mouse, then it will show. Then you are looking here only 1 and 2 records are here, that is less than 50, and this will be ignored. You are looking here record number 1, record number 2, record number 2, record number 3, not 2 has been skipped because that is not fulfill the condition. And suppose you want to delete this particular record number 3rd, then you can just click on the delete. It will ask to you display record will be permanently deleted. Okay करोगे, then it will delete from the list. Okay, this is the form option that allow to you to add the new record and search record and delete the records. Okay, after this if you want to sort the list of data, then here is given that in the data option you have to click on the sort button and you will find the labels. Suppose I have search, I have here I have to make the list according the alphabetic order of the customer. Then we have to click here. I have selected one label, only one label. By the name of the customer I want to sort make the list in alphabetic order, A to Z order, any ascending order. Okay, you are looking here the ascending order. Again we have to make the serial number here 1, and after pressing 1 just hold the control key and drag, then again you will see the serial number will be generated. Okay, now you are looking the alphabetic order. Suppose दो नंबर जब सेम हो जाएंगे, दो नेम सेम हो गए, अमित here and अमित also here, I have changed, this is also Amit. अब which Amit will first come? Then we have to use here after name another thing, that is suppose I have selected the total, जिसका total number of items is highest, they will listed on the top. Then तो इसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट नहीं करना है, वी हैव टू इन द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट करना है, बिकॉज मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो जिसका क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा हो वो टॉप में रहे. ठीक है, देन वो क्लिक ऑन द ओके. यू आर लुकिंग हियर as it is the list is displayed. Now if you want to lowest to smallest, then you will see this record will be shift upside. Okay, क्योंकि हमने बोला कि जो स्मॉलेस्ट टोटल है अमित का रिकॉर्ड वो ऊपर शिफ्ट हो, बिकॉज यहाँ स्मॉलेस्ट टू हाईएस्ट जाना है. नाउ टोटल you will see the record will be change, order has been changed. जो सेकेंड नंबर है उसका क्वांटिटी टोटल में क्वांटिटी कम है, that's why it has been shifted to the upside. Name both customer name is same, but number of quantity, on the basis of number of quantity these two records has been shifted according to the second label of the sorting label total से जो सेकेंड लेवल है टोटल उसके अकॉर्डिंग देखा गया. तो स्मॉलेस्ट कौन है, हु इज स्मॉलेस्ट? स्मॉलेस्ट इज द अमित फर्स्ट, अमित सेकेंड, दैट इज 281 जिसका क्वांटिटी है, और क्वांटिटी के अकॉर्डिंग स्मॉलेस्ट फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस दिया जाएगा, बिकॉज आई हैव सेलेक्टेड हियर द ऑर्डर डिसेंडिंग स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट. ओके, sorry, I have selected here the smallest to largest means ascending order, and here is also ascending order, both are ascending. Again if I change largest, it means largest to smallest means descending order. Then the second first record will be again up. जो सेकेंड अमित है, फर्स्ट अमित है, यहाँ पर हम नीचे वाले देख रहे हैं, that will be shifted upside. Okay, see here. This is the use of the sorting. Now you are looking here. Okay, thank you.